Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
and thank you for watching. Good morning. This is going to be a little bit different. I am going to play with makeup this morning. So I want you to get ready with me. My hair has been shampooed. I am going to wear this while my hair is air drying. So the first thing I'm going to do, you know what? I want you to just watch. And I want you to comment down below. Tell me how I can make this better. Give me some tips on doing my face. That's what I need from you. That's what I really need. And I keep pulling out this brush just to blend everything in. I'm going to use this Miracle Matte Lip color from Ulta. I don't even know the color. It's not even on here what color this is. Yes, it is. Frenzy is the color. The color is Frenzy. But this color, it was given to me by my goddaughter and her sister. So thank you, Kayla and Desiree. That's pretty much, you guys. That is it. And all I'm doing now is taking off the shine from my nose and everywhere else. And my face is done. Just tell me what you think. And I did that in, I think about, looks like it was about 7 minutes or so. I don't want to take a long time to do it and get it done. Thank you to my subscribers. I know this is not about Sisterlocks, but I want to thank you anyway for your support. Thank you for my family and my friends, because I really, really love you. And I especially love God, because it's because of God that I am here today. Have a good day.